Alrighty, we are back again. We got another figure unboxing. Matter of fact, I got another Yoko came in, a more realistic version, and pretty stoked about that. And I know I talked about opening up this Cheshire Cat. That's a new figure to come out. And I think what I want to do is do 2 scoops, baby. I'm going to run this video. I'm going to do another video. I'll probably put them separately as 2 separate videos, but we're going to do a double scoop today. So we're going to start off with this Cheshire. This is the Fairytale, another Fairytale Cheshire Cat, and this is really cool figure, I believe. Can't wait to open it. The pictures look really cool, so I'm really pretty stoked on this one. It's all in a clear plastic box of sorts. Looks like it's got like a little card or something up there, and of course you have the bottom here, all your official whatnot. There we go. So we'll check this out. Let me see, what scale is this? I don't know. I'm not sure what scale it is. Doesn't really say. But we're gonna ye old buck knife, crack her open, boy. Oh shit. Hold on. Cutting into some stuff I didn't need to be cutting into. That old buck knife is sharp, boy. Be careful. Alright. On this side, hit that. Whoo, like butter, man. Alright, here we go. Open this thing up. Come on now. There we go. Okay. And with a little card. So here's a little card there. Set that to the side. Alright, this where did I get this one from? I think I got this from Sideshow. I believe this is where this one came from. Set that to the side, and I'm sure we got some tape here, so let's pull out the American buck owner. And just go around, round and around. Right. Okay, I think that's got her. Do a little pop. Oh yeah. Here it comes. Come on now. Woo. Woohoo, man, you hear that thing snapping and popping. Watch it. Alright. Alright. Looks like there is going to be almost little to nothing here to put together, which is good. Got some plastic going on. Okay, let me just kind of pull this thing out. Okay, my bad. We are putting things together. Got the base. That's the base. Let me slide this to the side. We'll just set that right there. Got little things here. We got some got the roses. Okay. Got some roses. Man, I'm gonna have to put shit together. Holy crap. Say it isn't so. Thank God. Alright, we've got a pink rose. And we got a red rose. Okay, got a red rose and a pink rose. Let's go ahead and pull her out of there. And we get her out of there without causing some calamity. Oh man, okay. Alright, take that off. Oh man, that's cool, man. And I'll pull that off carefully. And we're gonna. Okay, come on. Woo! Alright. She's got a little hole in her backside there. I reckon that's gonna. Oh, got a little tip willy up here. Got a little tip willy there. I'm gonna put my bottom dollar on it. That tip willy's gonna go right up her backside. Man, that's gonna keep her right in the place. Oh man, ain't nothing like putting your tip willy up some girl's backside. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me see. Wait a minute. We got some instructions here. How about just look at the picture? So I look at the picture so I figure out what the hell I'm doing here. Where the hell's the other frickin' rose go? We got instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and stick that. I'm gonna stick it in her now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in her. I'm gonna put it in you, girl. Hold still. Hold still while I put it in you. Oh, maybe it goes the other way. Oh, sorry, baby, it ain't fitting. Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, it only goes a certain way. Only goes a certain way. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to try to put it in wrong. Yeah, let's see what we got. Oh, Lord. These dang figures where I gotta put things together, they get me lost. I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Oh, my goodness. Seems right. Man. Woo, gotta wiggle it in there, man. Gotta wiggle it in there. I probably should have lubed it up before I tried to stick it in, you know. Oh, come on, baby. Man, I'll be honest with you, man. Oh, there it is. I heard something click. I already say, man, I'm good. I'm a little nervous, man. I don't know if it's gonna break or the old flower goes, the ribbon goes up front. There's a keyway shaped kind of like a L. Let's put that in without breaking something. Man, this stuff does not go in easy. Man. Man, that's nervous. She pushing on that thing, pushing on it, man. It's like, good God. Damn, there, break the thing. I don't know what the hell it says. So on the other side, What the hell's that? Oh, I get it. It's this little vine down here. Holy shit, you expect me to see that? Man. I guess that's right. Whew, holy cow. I'm like, man, what the hell, Bobby? There we got it, man. I swear to God. This video is going to require some editing, man, because that was a freaking mess, let me tell you. Anyway, shoot some light on here. Let's have a look at it. As always, going to save my comments for after I take a look at it. But, hey, it's pretty cool, man. Yeah. But, wait a minute. She supposed to have some heels on? What the hell kind of shoes are these? What the hell kind of shoes she wearing? She ain't got no heels. I thought she had heels on. Am I missing something here? Where the fuck's her heels? I don't see the heels. You got more missing pieces here. Well, we're gonna have to cut this video. Let's see what the hell's going on. Cause it looks like she ain't got no heels. You would think she has some heels. You see the front of her shoe. Ain't no damn heel. What the hell kind of thing's going on there? What the hell? What kind of goofy BS is that? Alright, well, we're gonna have to cut this video and then take a look at this thing. But I'll do a quick 360. But yeah, I couldn't imagine, you know, needing heels. If they don't come with heels, that's a stupid looking thing. Man, what the hell's the damn heels? Yeah, one more spin around. God damn retarded. That just don't make no sense. That's retarded. You ain't got no damn heels. Not only that, she's not even painted at the end. She's like, what the hell? You didn't even finish painting her leg, and it's like you could transparent through her foot. What the hell? This is not impressive. Did they miss painting this thing or something? Yeah, I'm gonna have to revert back to the photographs, because if that be the case, this thing looks terrible. This is a terrible figure. Alright, well, cut the video. I'll look at what it's supposed to look like from the images from Sideshow. Man. I don't know about this one. Alright, let's give that 360 spin on the Cheshire Cat figure. Alright, let's have a look at it. There we go, 360. Taking a look at it. Like the base, the tree, the roses look really cool. The little keys and all that. Paint on this thing looks really cool, other than what I spoke about in the beginning. Not feeling the ends of those shoes, man. They should be high heels, man, and her foot turning transparent, man. I don't know what the hell that's. It looks like it needs paint there. So I'm not feeling that. I love the colors in it and everything. You know, I don't know. I don't watch anime. That this is an actual anime character. I don't know. And you know, maybe that's the missing thing for me is, you know, You know, I'm not an anime person, so if this is an actual character, let me let's go up, kind of get a downward shot so we can look at that portrait. Let's look at the portrait. Come into that portrait. Wait a minute. I dig the outfit that she's wearing. It's definitely adult themed. I'll take a quick spin up here. It's got some kind of key or something up there on her. Roses on her outfit. And the purple and the bow. You know. Oh, sorry. Now here's what I don't like. Is that like coming up and going transparent. There's no heels on these shoes. I mean, to me that would have been what you would want. You would want some, you know, the high heels, you know, some stilettos or something. You know, and this may be a character of something. I don't watch anime, so I wouldn't know. But said I love the concept. Love the outfit that she's wearing. She, you know, definitely has that sex appeal thing going on. Definitely adult themed. Love the vine work coming up here around there. Your little, yeah, those are keys. And you have the roses. You know, this vine coming up through there. Your roses looks good. And other little purple flowers and such growing on the part of the tree. So, really cool. Yeah, I guess my only complaint would be those shoes and her just going off into nothing, man. I don't, you know, maybe something I'm just not getting here when it comes to that. But there it is. The Cheshire Cat girl. Looks really cool. I really dig it. Like I said, my only little gripe is those shoes that she's wearing. I don't get it. You know, it definitely needs needs heels in it. You know, and of course her tail. You know, her tail when it comes off, you can see that as well. Goes to transparent. Let's zoom up on that real quick. And as you can see, the tail goes to transparent. So, you know, and that's the way it's supposed to be. I looked on the better images of it and blew them up, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So it wasn't a case that they just didn't paint mine properly or something. That's it. And yeah, that's the only thing I really don't care about the figure. Other than that, it's a really neat figure. Really dig it. So, alrighty, there's your 360 spin. Alright, there you have the 360 spin. Not impressed with that. I mean, this here, you know, I guess I wish I would have had a better look at the photographs before I bought it. I mean, it's a cool figure, but I don't know. I don't get it. It seems like something's missing, you know what I mean? It's like it should have a heel coming out here, and why is she like transparent, you know? Weird. Well, other than that, it seems like a pretty cool figure. Love, you know, obviously I bought it because I liked it. Looked, you know, from the photos that I could see, I liked it a lot. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, till next time. If you liked content that I'm putting out there, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.